Number 10. World Robot Expo China. The 2023 World Robot Expo kicked off on August 16, 2023 in the Chinese capital Beijing with hundreds of robot tech pieces on display from around the world. The expo showed off humanoids in the form of ancient poets and modern bartenders as developers worked to make robots more capable of assisting humans in various aspects of everyday life. Winking, grimacing, or nodding their heads, robots mimic the expressions of visitors at a robot expo in Beijing. They were among the creation's dazzling people attending the annual World Robot Conference, where companies showed off robots designed for a wide range of uses, including manufacturing, surgery, and companionship. The animatronic heads and humanoid robots on display at the X-Robots booth personified the image of what robots are supposed to be in the popular imagination, with synthetic skin and lifelike facial expressions complemented by moving arms and hands. CEO Li Boyang said they're ideal for roles that require interacting with the public, such as museums, tourist attractions, school settings, and companion scenarios. Doggy droids, a mainstay of high-tech fairs, were out in force. Canine robots shook hands with fair-goers and performed handstands on their front paws. Elsewhere at the fair, robotic arms served Chinese tea, prepared ice cream cones, bounced ping-pong balls, and gave visitors back massages. Number 9. Albert Einstein. On the first day of the 2021 World Robot Conference in Beijing, a Chinese-speaking humanoid resembling Albert Einstein stole the spotlight. Among the 500 intelligent machines exhibited in the capital city's E-Town, this android stood out as one of the most advanced ever developed, communicating fluently in Mandarin. As visitors entered the hall, Albert Einstein's humanoid immediately caught their attention with its advanced features and modern technology. Its realistic facial expressions, including blinking eyes, smiling, and serious expressions, along with the intricate movements of its knuckles and lifelike skin, showcased the rapid progress of science and technology. The exhibition demonstrated how intelligent robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable of human-like interactions. Number 8. Cyber One. Xiaomi unveiled its first ever humanoid robot, Cyber One. The newest member of Xiaomi's Cyber series, which includes the quadruped Cyber Dog, is fitted with advanced arms, legs, and vision capabilities alongside a host of other tech. The CEO says that with AI at its core and a full-size humanoid frame as its vessel, this is an exploration of possibilities of Xiaomi's future technological ecosystem and a new breakthrough for the company. During a launch event in Beijing, where Xiaomi also showed off a new foldable phone, Cyber One introduced itself by sauntering on stage with a long-stemmed flower. While it can dance or do parkour, the bot can detect human emotions, perceive 3D space, and recognize 84 types of environmental sounds. It even comforts its user in times of sadness. Number 7. Robot by X-Robots. X-Robots specializes in designing and manufacturing robots for various industries, focusing on industrial automation. They may offer a range of robotic solutions, including collaborative robots, autonomous mobile robots, robotic arms, and other robotic systems. Moreover, X-Robots China may provide customized robotic solutions to meet the specific needs of their clients. This could involve developing robots with unique functionalities or integrating robotic systems into existing workflows. These robots are typically designed to enhance productivity, improve efficiency, and automate repetitive or hazardous tasks. They may incorporate advanced technologies such as sensors, machine vision, artificial intelligence, and human-robot collaboration capabilities to enable intelligent automation. X-Robots has been working on the robotic projects EXDoll and DSDoll. XDoll Robotics have partnered with Microsoft in order to use Microsoft AI. This implementation has now been successfully completed, meaning that the robots can speak in 60 languages. Number 6. Jaja. Developed by researchers from the University of Science and Technology of China, Jaja is the first humanoid robot to come out of China. Researchers spent 3 years developing Jaja, able to respond to facial expressions with her own micro-level movements during conversations in both Chinese and English. Jaja is the result of integrating technologies for cognitive modeling, semantic understanding, automated reasoning and planning, knowledge acquisition, kinematics, and cloud robotics. The award-winning development team has received many international accolades, including first places at the popular RoboCop World Championship and the IJCAI Robotics Competition. Number 5. Poppy. Poppy is a series of open-source humanoid robots developed by the Flowers Lab at INRIA Bordeaux Sud-Ouest in France. The Poppy project aims to create affordable and accessible humanoid robots for educational and research purposes. There are several models of Poppy robots with varying sizes and functionalities, but they generally share common characteristics such as a humanoid body with multiple degrees of freedom, allowing for natural and expressive movements. The robots are equipped with various sensors, cameras, and actuators, enabling them to interact with the environment and respond to stimuli. Poppy robots are often used in educational settings to teach robotics, programming, and engineering concepts to students. They provide a hands-on and engaging way for learners to explore robotics and AI technologies. Additionally, researchers use Poppy robots for studying topics like human-robot interaction, motor control, and artificial intelligence. Number 4. Unitree Robot Dog. Unitree Robotics is a Chinese manufacturer that specializes in developing, producing, and sales of high-performance quadruped robots. The brand offers different types of robot dog, more affordable than the Boston Dynamics Spot robot and therefore more accessible for use in research and education. The Go 1 robot dog is compact, rapid, and combines several high-performance features. It also benefits from the unique side-follow tracking system and super sensory technology for optimal navigation. Alien Go is ideal for use in professional environments and at industrial sites, as well as for research and teaching. It's an exploration robot that offers lots of advantages. Designed for research and development, B1 is the most advanced of Unitree Robotics robot dogs. It stands out for its ability to carry heavy loads of more than 40 kilograms. In addition to being waterproof, it can operate underwater thanks to its IP68 protection rating. Number 3. Aiko Chihira. Aiko Chihira, introduced in 2015, caused a sensation in Japan as a remarkably human-like robot. In a Tokyo department store, she was mistaken for a real person due to her lifelike appearance. Aiko Chihira's role involved working in customer service while wearing a traditional silk kimono. Under the leadership of Hitoshi Tokuda, a team of programmers created Chihira. Tokuda mentioned that her intended persona was that of a 32-year-old woman standing at a height of 165 centimeters. To achieve her realistic movements, Chihira relied on 30 times per second data transfers and was equipped with 43 motors for power. Consequently, her gestures, such as bowing or blinking, appeared subtle, and her silicone body resembled a wax figure rather than the robotic appearance of R2-D2. During NPR's visit to Chihira, many individuals were fooled into thinking she was a real person. The challenge for designers, including Toshiba's Tokuda, lay in creating a robot that closely resembles a human without entering the uncanny valley that often evokes fear in children. Number 2. ASIMO. ASIMO stands for Advanced Step and Innovative Mobility. It means advanced innovative mobility for a new era. ASIMO is a bipedal humanoid robot Honda has been developing with a goal to develop robots that will coexist with and be useful to people since its first introduction in 2000. In 2011, the latest version was introduced with world's first autonomous behavior control technology. The latest version ASIMO becomes more autonomous, capable of continuous behavior without human operation. With a greatly enhanced situation adaptive capacity, both intelligently and physically, ASIMO moves one step closer to practical use in crowded public spaces and office environments. ASIMO became capable of responding to the movement of people and to surrounding situations. For instance, ASIMO will stop its current action and change its behavior to accommodate the intention of the other party. Coordination between visual and auditory sensors enables ASIMO to simultaneously recognize a face and voice, enabling ASIMO to recognize the voices of multiple people who are speaking simultaneously, which is difficult even for a human being to accomplish. Number 1. Iron Cub. Robots that are integrated with technologies like artificial intelligence, cybernetics, cognitive development, and neuroscience can perform multiple tasks at the same time, like plan, think, work, analyze, work, and now apparently fly. Iron Cub has been developed by eminent researchers, which took them almost 5 years to build. The idea behind this robot was to install jet engines on its hands and feet to make the humanoid robot fly. The 2 jet engines are set on the back of the robot and 2 jet engines are on the forearms. Iron Cub is also carrying a pair of metallic pants, which are originally heat-resistant material to secure the robot from the jet engine's fire. The updated version of the robot will also have a flame protective covering on its legs and feet. The researchers have developed a control algorithm to simulate the movement of the robot with the jet engines installed on the hands and feet. Next, they are considering including the aerodynamic effects and other parameters and technologies that will improve its flight. Built on top of iCub V2.5, Iron Cub is endowed with 4 jet engines, 2 of them mounted on the arms and the other 2 on a jetpack attached to the robot's back. The turbines can provide a maximum thrust force of more than 750 N, and the exhaust temperature reaches over 600 degrees. And that's all for this video, folks. See you next time.